Hey everybody, welcome back to the Fox Shop, and what we have going on today, well, of course I have Buddy Boy down here with me. I'm not sure where Jessie is. On the truck bed, doesn't look very pretty. Getting her welded up a little bit. Gonna get back on this. If you haven't been staying tuned, I had surgery on my arm here. That big bump right there. Had a kind of funny, but not really. I was carrying the smoker out of here, which I have running right now, making some ribs. Looks like maybe I need to put some more wood on that, and evidently I came out here, I was carrying it out, and I rubbed up against this 80-year-old board that has a lot of black looking stuff in it. Anyway, somewhere right up in here, I rubbed my arm up against it, and at the time I thought, well, that didn't feel very good, but really didn't think very much about it, and ended up having, well, I tried pulling a piece of that splinter out of my arm with some very sterile needle nose pliers. Didn't get very much, so I went up to the house and had Leanna, she got some tweezers, and she pulled a little bit more out, and the darn thing kept swelling up into a great big thing. Well, about like that, but it was all red, and I can't really show it, but all red and everything. Anyway, went to a couple different doctors. Make things short, I had surgery on that, and they took about 1.25 inch piece of wood out of my arm. Had no idea that it was still in there. It was about the size of a blade of grass. I mean, it was really just really thin. And anyway, and I wasn't supposed to lift anything more than 5 pounds or push or shove on anything, so haven't really got a lot done on this, and I know it doesn't look real pretty, but either did my green truck. Kind of doing it the same way. Got pictures here. Pretty much doing it the same way, and it didn't look very good either, and she turned out pretty good. So anyway, it's rather warm out today. That's why I'm wearing what I'm wearing. I think it's 75, but it feels like it's about 85. The sun's really warm. I don't know if I can zoom it. Yeah, got a Dodge out there. Engine's blowing on that. I guess it was I think the head gasket blew on it. But yeah, the old brown truck will try to get this bed fixed up for that. I need to get going back on that. Today I'm cooking some ribs today. Need to get the yard mowed, I know that. It's not too bad, but here shortly get that going. We have custody of a 2-year-old right now. Hopefully that will be over before too long, but we'll see. Getting too old for that, but we're making it work. So anyway, and maybe getting different mower instead of the John Deere X 734. Might be getting a nice 0 turn here shortly. Don't know for sure, but we'll find out. Anyways, I wanted to put something out there for you. Oh, you can look at these ribs. I should have made a video of this on the Hungry Fox, or look it up, the Fox Shop BBQ. Yeah, got those going. I don't want to keep the door open very long. Yeah, come on, get shut. Okay. So anyway, yeah, making a little bit of work on this. Somebody said they use like 3M panel bond, but then they said they overlapped them, and I'm like, okay, if you overlap them, how the heck do you blend everything in? I don't know how that works. So I'm just going the old-fashioned way, welding it in. I've got a couple of big gaps. That's going to be a little bit tough. That's where the copper spoon comes in. I'll get it welded up. I had that problem on the green truck too. Great big gap down here. I'm going to have to weld in another piece of metal down there. And probably a little bit of body filler and she'll be fine. She's got some dings and dents in her, but need to get going on this and making more videos. With this darn thing, I can't really show it very good. I can show that, which is not supposed to be there, but it's all smushy too. Like it's all full of, I don't know if it's full of blood or fluid or something. I don't know. But anyway, guys, that's what's going on today. I just wanted to put something out there. I think it's been a couple of weeks probably since I put anything out. I've been driving this quite a bit. She's running good. I do think this, I thought this last year too. I think this tire, this wheel, it's out of balance. I can hear it going down the road and I can feel it a little bit, unless you get at a certain speed, and then it seems to be okay. But I think that one needs balance. Maybe all four of them need balancing. 35, 12 and a half tires. 35, 12 and a half, 15. So there's a lot of weight and rubber going there that need to maybe need to get balanced out. And it's sat all winter, so it might be a little bit flat spotted too, but it was that way last year and it kind of bothered me. So I don't know, may get that done here pretty soon too. But really would like to get this truck fixed up, but that's going to require me getting back to work on this darn truck bed. It's a slow process, welding. You just got to do spot weld, spot weld, spot weld, and then go and move and spot weld. It takes a long time. I'll make a good video on doing that. I didn't do it on this side because it's been quite a while since I've done that. And when I turn it around and do the other side, I'll make a video on that, how you do that, or how I do it anyway. And maybe that 3M panel bond stuff would work really good. I think it would probably work good if you could fit it up back behind this, but on top of it, how do you smooth it all out so you don't see any lumps or bumps? I don't know. I think welding it in is probably the best way to do it, and I can get back up behind there. I took that inner wheel well, took it out. So you can get back up behind here and spray all kinds of paint and undercoating and so forth. That's what I did on my green truck, and so far so good. It's been, I don't remember when I finished that. I think I got done welding those in like 2013 or 14. I think the whole thing got done in 2015, something like that. Yeah, we got some smoke going now. But anyway, I'm gonna go up and eat some ribs here pretty soon. Hopefully well, I always have. We have a good night with Leanna and go from there. So no, that Dodge truck, that's not mine. That was a friend of Taylor, who was Jody's, that's her daughter, and her husband, friend of theirs. They brought it over here. And it's supposed to be out of here about a week ago, but so far it's still here, but it's not hurting anything. So anyway, guys, just thought I'd throw something out there for you. I'm gonna start making more videos on this because I want to get this put together. So that's pretty much all I have for you, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.